Hey guys, Brady Agronoff, founder of Warehance here. I'm excited to show you an automation rule we set up for a client that made their warehouse processes a little more efficient. So the client needed to set both the inbound shipment status to closed as well as set the close date when they were done receiving the inbound shipment. However, that made training more difficult for their warehouse employees. So having them have to set both at the same time, it was kind of a pain and caused some more errors when they would forget to set one or the other. So what we did is we set an automation rule, and I'll create that automation rule here as well. So I'm going to call it set inbound shipment close date. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the trigger inbound shipment updated, and I'll add a condition. So this condition is for when the inbound shipment status is set to closed. So this will only fire when the inbound shipment status is set to close. And then the action I'm going to select is set close date to X hours from now. And I'm just going to put 0 hours in so that the close date is set to the time at which the inbound shipment status gets set to closed. So this went ahead and solved their problem, and I'll go ahead and show you in action. So I'll create the automation. I'll head over to inbound shipments, and there's this test one that is still open. I'll set the status to closed, and as you can see, the close date updated here, and you can see in history as well that the set inbound shipment close date automation went ahead and set the close date to the time at the moment. So this is a cool demo I wanted to do. Hopefully I'll have more of these in the future coming, but this is the first of many automation rules that I would like to show off. So thanks for watching.